Now that we have our passive FTP server set up, we can then go ahead and add a recorder to it. In this example, we're at the local interface of an Elite Series recorder. We'll go ahead and select the storage settings, then go to FTP, enable, and we'll go ahead and enter our host IP address, which is the IP address of the recorder that the FTP server is set up on. And we'll go ahead and enter the username and password. And just to mention, this was all of these settings were previously done in another video on how to set up a passive FTP in FileZilla. Okay, the only thing we'll change here is the image upload interval. We'll change that to 10. Okay, and then everything else will be default. In this example, we're not going to enable alarm, Intel, MD, or regular. That'll all stay unchecked because we're only going to be sending snapshots to our FTP in this example. So we'll go ahead and apply and save, and then we'll right-click and go back to the main menu. Then go to storage. Now go to record, and we're going to enable snapshot on channel 1. Okay, we'll apply and save. Now we're going to go back to the main menu again. Go to storage, then schedule. Now we're going to set our snapshot schedule based off of motion. So we'll go ahead and click on snapshot. And now click the setting wheel, and we'll enable motion detection for all days. Okay, apply and save. I'll just go ahead and apply the record also. So apply and save. Okay, then we'll go back to the main menu, and now select event. From here, we're going to enable motion detect for channel 1, enable snapshot, and apply and save. Okay, so now we're going to connect to our computer, and we're going to open up the FileZilla server. Okay, so it's now connected, and then we'll go ahead and create some motion at that camera and demonstrate the files being put into the FTP folder. Okay, now you'll see the snapshots that were triggered based upon motion. Okay, and I'll do it again just so you can see the gap in the time there, that it is actually doing it based off of motion. Okay, there's our new snapshot. And then we'll go ahead and go over the settings on how to send video to your FTP server. So you want to go to the storage settings and go back to your FTP settings and change the weekday to all for your schedule. And from here you could enable alarm, Intel, motion detect, or regular. So we'll just select motion detect, and then we'll go ahead and make sure motion detect is still enabled, which it is. And then we'll go back to our schedule, and we'll just set that based upon motion also. And we'll go ahead and save that, copy that to all days, apply. And it's just asking me to do the same thing for a snapshot. Just go ahead and save that. Okay, so that's how you send snapshots and video to your FTP server. Thank you for watching.